Welcome back to Tech Crumbs. Today we're going to show you how to lock the screen on the Xiaomi Mi Watch Lite. So say that you don't want to accidentally bump it and start touching stuff because you're running, exercising, doing any kind of thing, and you want to make sure that that doesn't happen. From basically turning on the watch, so click once, we scroll from the bottom and we have that little lock. We press that, and now to unlock screen it says press and hold the watch button. So what does this mean? It means that if I press and try to do anything, it won't work, but I have to press it and hold for a few seconds, and you can see the timer there. Boom. Now the screen is unlocked. We can go ahead and do anything we want with the watch. Once again, from the bottom, press the little lock. Want to unlock it, press the button for around 3 to 5 seconds. There you go. Unlocked. So that is to basically not do any accidental touches or changes while you're exercising or using your watch. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments below. See you in the next one. Bye.